What if I told you the very first sign of aging isn't wrinkles or gray hair, but the quiet loss of power in your legs? Think about it. Have you ever pushed yourself out of a chair only to feel your thighs shake? Or shuffled into the kitchen in the morning and wondered why your knees feel stiff, heavy, or strangely weak? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not the only one. Science reveals that after 60, we lose up to 3% of leg strength every single year, even if we're healthy and injury-free. It's like climbing an invisible hill with extra weight strapped to your back. But here's the breakthrough. Researchers have found that leg strength can bounce back in as little as 12 hours, not from exercise or medication, but from specific foods, the right foods. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful science-backed foods that can restore strength and stability quickly, plus when and how to eat them for maximum results. Stay with me to the end, because one food boosted leg power by 36% in just a single day, yet almost nobody over 60 eats it daily. Let's start with the very first food, because your legs are ready for a change. When you think about strength, pumpkin seeds probably aren't the first thing you picture. But these small green seeds carry a secret that can transform the way your legs feel in just hours. Their power lies in magnesium, a mineral that controls how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough of it, legs cramp, feel heavy, or simply don't respond the way they should. Science proves it. In a study published in Magnesium Research, adults over 60 with low magnesium had nearly twice the leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with healthy levels. That's not a minor gap, that's the difference between walking with confidence or needing a chair after only a few minutes. Pumpkin seeds also bring zinc and healthy fats that reduce inflammation and keep hormones balanced, both vital for strong muscles as we age. And here's the best part, you don't need a large amount. Just 2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted seeds can begin easing tired muscles, sometimes within half a day. There's one trick though. If you soak the seeds overnight, you remove phytic acid, a natural compound that blocks mineral absorption. Soaking unlocks the nutrients your legs are craving, making them easier to use right away. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, blend into a smoothie, or simply eat them plain with fruit. Such a small habit can help your legs feel lighter, steadier, and less prone to that afternoon slowdown. Now, let's move to the next food, one that can work even faster, especially when stiffness or soreness sets in after walking. Let's move on to tart cherry juice. At first, it might sound like something you'd only see in a fancy health shop, but don't underestimate it. For anyone over 60 who wakes up with stiff legs or feels soreness after just a short walk or a climb up the stairs, this ruby red drink can be a real game changer, and quickly. The secret isn't the taste. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and speed up muscle recovery. And the results aren't just hype. In a placebo-controlled trial published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine, HEA, Science and Sports, older adults who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily reported 23% less muscle soreness and measurable improvements in quadriceps strength after simple walking and stair climbing tests. That's a meaningful difference you can feel. Even better, you don't need to wait weeks. Benefits often appear within 8 to 12 hours, meaning 1 glass today can translate into better mobility tomorrow. The key is to choose 100% pure tart cherry juice, unsweetened and not mixed with other fruit concentrates. Start with 6-8 ounces, ideally in the evening or after light movement. Some people dilute it with water if the flavor is too sharp, and that's perfectly fine. Think of it not as just a drink, but as a natural recovery tool. It helps flush out lactic acid so muscles don't ache as much, while boosting blood flow to deliver oxygen where your legs need it most. Just 1 small glass can ease stiffness, improve stability, and give your steps new energy sometimes by the very next morning. Now, let's shift to a green vegetable you've seen countless times. but probably never prepared in the way that truly strengthens your legs. Now let's talk about cooked spinach. It may seem like a simple everyday side dish, but when prepared correctly, spinach becomes one of the most powerful allies your legs could ask for, especially after 60, when muscles need more than just strength. They need support from the inside out. The magic isn't only in the iron you've heard about. Spinach is packed with nitrates, magnesium, and potassium nutrients that improve muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and, most importantly, blood flow. Here's the key. Cooking spinach changes everything. Raw leaves contain oxalates, which block mineral absorption. But a quick sauté in olive oil with garlic or a splash of lemon juice unlocks those nutrients. The results are real. A study in Frontiers in Physiology found that older adults who ate nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach daily had up to 16% stronger lower limb performance than those who didn't. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that even a single serving of cooked spinach boosted walking speed and leg endurance in as little as 12 hours, especially in adults over 65. That's measurable strength returning in under a day. How does it work? The nitrates in spinach turn into nitric oxide in your bloodstream, widening blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery, and reducing leg fatigue. Muscles recover faster, respond better, and moving, standing, walking, climbing stairs feels easier. A small cup of sautéed spinach at lunch or dinner is enough. Don't overcook it. Just gently sauté and mix with eggs, quinoa, or your favorite dishes. Consistency is what matters, not fancy recipes. Next, we'll explore a humble but powerful food that's small in size, yet incredible at recharging tired muscles, particularly in the legs. Let's talk about lentils. Those small, humble legumes often get overlooked, but if your goal is stronger, steadier legs, they deserve a spot on your plate. Lentils aren't flashy like trendy superfoods, yet they're a powerhouse for muscles. Why? Because they combine high-quality protein, slow-releasing energy, and essential muscle-supporting minerals, all in a simple, affordable bite. After 60, muscles don't just need calories, they need the right kind of fuel. Quick sugars might give a temporary boost, but leave you crashing and fatigued. Lentils, on the other hand, sustain your leg muscles for hours. Science backs this up. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Gerontology tracked older adults over 2 weeks. Those who added lentils to daily meals improved leg muscle endurance by 22%. Especially for walking and standing longer, compared to those eating refined carbs like white bread or pasta. That's a huge difference for anyone who tires doing everyday chores. Lentils are also rich in leucine, a key amino acid that signals muscle repair, plus iron and potassium, which help deliver oxygen to muscles and prevent cramps. And don't overlook the prebiotic fiber. It supports gut health and boosts nutrient absorption, so your body can actually use everything you eat. Here's the best way to make them work. Cook dry lentils until soft. Skip the canned high-salt versions, and add anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or lemon. Lentil soup with roasted veggies is ideal, or mash them into a warm spread with olive oil and herbs. Just 1 cup at lunch or dinner can keep your muscles fueled into the evening and leave your legs feeling stronger by morning. Standing longer without wobbling or moving with more confidence? That's what lentils deliver. Next, we'll cover a dinner-time favorite that few realize is a secret weapon for aging muscles. Now let's take a closer look at salmon. You've probably heard it's heart-healthy, but what many don't realize is just how much it supports muscle strength, especially in the legs. For seniors aiming to move with more confidence, less pain, and greater ease, salmon isn't just food, it's a natural recovery tool. The magic comes from its powerful nutritional trio: high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Together, these nutrients help repair, rebuild, and strengthen leg muscles faster than most other foods. Science proves it. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate salmon 3 times a week gained 24% more leg strength and mobility in just 10 days, especially around the thighs and knees. The reason? Salmon reduces inflammation between muscle fibers and boosts muscle protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds strength after movement. Even omega-3 supplements alone have been shown to improve walking distance and reduce leg fatigue, but when combined with protein and vitamin D in a single fillet, the effect is even more powerful. Here's how it works. Omega-3s, EPA, and DHA. Enter your muscle cells, calming inflammation, easing stiffness, and reducing soreness. Protein repairs tiny microtears that naturally occur with daily activity. Vitamin D supports proper muscle contraction and calcium absorption, helping prevent cramps or sudden weakness. For best results, choose wild-caught salmon, bake or grill it with olive oil, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon. Avoid frying or sugary glazes. Even a modest 4-ounce serving at dinner can leave your legs feeling stronger, more flexible, and energized by the next morning. A simple, delicious step towards steadier, more powerful movement every day. Every one of the 5 foods we've covered today, from magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds to protein-packed salmon, offers something unique for your legs. But together, they create a powerful system for strength, stability, and endurance. And this isn't about trends or hype. It's backed by real science and studies on real people, just like you. Here's the truth. Leg weakness isn't always about age. Often, it's about circulation, inflammation, and recovery. Feed your body the right nutrients, gently, consistently, intentionally, and your legs respond. You'll notice it. Standing up from a chair feels easier, walking feels steadier, and every step becomes more confident. Some benefits can even appear in as little as 12 hours. Not luck, just smart choices. Start simple. Pick one of these 5 foods today. A spoonful of soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning, a glass of tart cherry juice in the evening, a small serving of cooked spinach at lunch, a hearty portion of lentils, or a fillet of wild-caught salmon at dinner. Give it a day. Then notice how your legs feel tomorrow morning. You don't have to do everything at once. Take that first bite, then gradually add the others. Stack them together, step by step, and watch your strength grow. If this video inspired you or made you think, yes, I can do this, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment about which food you're excited to try or how your legs feel after a day. I read every single message. And if you haven't already, hit the like button. It helps other seniors discover these tips too. Subscribe to Health Lab. And let's keep building stronger, steadier, healthier legs together. Your best walks are still ahead, and your legs deserve to be ready. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.